So let's talk about the basics. You take the base form of the verb and add ing, like cooking. You can use it as an adjective and as a verb. Don't confuse it with gerund. Gerund is very different. So gerund is a noun made from a verb, while the present participle is either an adjective or another form of a verb. Let's have a look at the present participle as an adjective. The cooking man is having fun. So he's a man and he's cooking and he's also having fun. So the cooking man is having fun. So you are describing what something is like right now, right this minute. Now let's have a look at it as a verb. He is cooking, so he is in the process of cooking or he is continuing to cook. So he is cooking. So it's used in the progressive or continuous tenses. Spelling changes in present participle. Double the last letter before ing if a one-syllable verb ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Running, sitting, stopping. Double the last letter before ing if a multiple syllable verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, and the last syllable is stressed. Beginning, admitting. If the last letter is a C, add a K, picnicking. If the last letter is an L, double it, traveling. This doesn't actually happen in American English, so for example, traveling is spelled with one L in American English. If the last letter is an E, it disappears, moving, riding. If the last letters are IE, they become a Y, dying, lying.